Hello, welcome to InfoDem. I'm happy to bring you this video about Chat GPT. I know a lot of you must have been hearing about Chat GPT, and if you haven't heard it before, hearing it on this channel for the first time will be one of the greatest things that has ever happened to you. Because right now, thousands of people are making money with Chat GPT. And you know, InfoDem is all about bringing you latest opportunity online on how to make money, and this is one of such. So I want you to pay rapt attention and watch this video from beginning to the end so that you can start earning with Chat GPT. I want you to know that Chat GPT has come not to steal like anybody's job, but to serve as a complementary tool for your productivity. Right now, you can only be panicking about your job if you are not ready to learn new things, if you are not ready to up your game. But if you are ready to learn new things, you will be surprised that ChatGPT will be an added advantage to your productivity. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chat robot that when you ask questions, it replies you immediately. So isn't that amazing? You ask any kind of question, legal question, and it will answer you immediately. Now somebody will now be wondering, how then can you make money with such hundreds ways of making money with ChatGPT? But I will not make this video that long. I'll be unfolding them one after the other. In this video, I will give you the practical ways of making money with ChatGPT InfoDem. So if you have not subscribed to InfoDem yet, I want to encourage you at this point, before you move on, go straight to subscription button, click the subscription button, bang the bell there. Whenever we upload this type of video, you can be duly notified. Go ahead and don't forget to share this video. You will be happy watching this video today. So if you are ready, let us go straight into the tutorial.
So the first thing you want to do if you want to make money with Chat GPT, just like as I said, there are several ways of making money with Chat GPT. This video I will show you how you can create article and earn thousands of naira monthly by using Chat GPT. This process can be done by anyone. So far you have data on your phone and you have your smartphone. So if you are ready, let's go ahead and practicalize the teaching. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your browser and sign up on ChatGPT. Then you go to OpenAI. Just type OpenAI and it will bring you here. As you can see, OpenAI here, the first one here, you click it. I've already registered, but if you are clicking it for the first time, then you come down here, you scroll down. As you can see, you scroll down, then you see where it is, where you see try Chat GPT, then you click it. As you can see, I've already signed up, but if you haven't, immediately you click try GPT, it will take you to where you will sign up. You can sign up with your Google account, and you can, if you already have a Google account or Microsoft account, or you sign up afresh. It's very simple to sign up. So this is Chat GPT. This is how it looks like. Now I want to show you how you can publish article on Opera News, and the money will be paid into your OPay account. And if you don't know how to open Opera News or platform and link your OPay account, you can watch the video that the link is below. It's all about how to open Opera News and also how to link your open an account. It's very simple. We have the application on the application is on your Google Store. You can go ahead and download it. It's not Opera Mini browser. If this one is Opera News, you download it and you do the necessary setting. Yeah. So now I want to show you how magical and how interesting this Chat GPT is. Now I want to publish an article about let's say Victor Osimhen. I want to say, okay, so now I want to publish an article about Osimhen. This is what I just typed. I said, write me 200 words article on why Osimhen prowess is needed against Atlanta. Then you come here and send. As you can see how fast it is. It has already started writing. As you can see, it has finished writing it. Osimhen's prowess versus Atlanta. As you can see, let me just read the first paragraph here. It says Victor Osimhen prowess as a striker is a valuable asset for team, and it is especially needed in the upcoming match against Atlanta. Against Osimhen's impressive physicality, speed, scoring ability make him a formidable opponent for any defense. As you can see, I can go on and read this thing now. ChatGPT has helped me to generate 200 words article that I will need to publish on Opera News Hub. So what do I do next? The next thing I want to do is to copy this. I haven't done that. It is also advisable that you paste it in the Word document. If you want to proofread it, you can paste it in Word document, and if you are okay with the write-up, if you don't want to change anything, you can just go ahead, copy it, and go straight to Opera News Hub. Now, as you can see, this is the application here. Then I will click it. Now you can see where pen is here. This red round. Then you click it. As you can see text, you can see photo, you can see video, you see vote and article, you click article. Now another thing that you need to do before you get to this point, you have to go to Google. Okay, for example, let me just minimize it. Then I go to Google. I go to my browser, get some picture of Osimhen. I just type Victor Osimhen, then I'll click image, or at times you will see Enyo. You click it, I'll click the image. As you can see, these are pictures of Victor Osimhen. Then let me try and download two of this picture. Let me download this. Then I also download this one. I haven't done that. I will go back to my Opera News Hub. Then I will click create. You can see create here. You click create. You put your title, the title of the article, which is Osimhen prowess. Why Osimhen prowess is needed against Atlanta. Then don't forget that I've already copied the article. I will just click here and hold. I'll click here, the body down here, and hold where you see add content, then I will paste. After doing that, the next thing I want to do is to scroll up. Then after the first paragraph, you can put your picture anywhere. After the first paragraph, I can now put my picture. How do I add my picture? I'll come here. come to browser, then the picture that I save will appear. As you can see, the two pictures up here. Then now let me add this one. As you can see, it's loading. That's the number one picture. Then if I want to add another picture, you can go on and add as many pictures as possible if you wish. So I'll go back there and add the second picture. As you can see, this is my second picture. So what do I need to do next? The next thing I want to do is to come up here and click next. I'll click next. As you can see, you see edit toppling. You need to start add toppling. Adding toppling is just to click here, this box. Then the pictures that you have added in your article will appear. Then you can now pick one. Let me pick this one. Yes, pick this one. Then I'll come here again and save it. I haven't done that. Then I'll come to topic and put football. Then you come here, down here, and click submit. If you have done that, the next thing you want to do is to go to your dashboard and see if your article have been published. As you can see, the article has been published. Here you see it, why Osimhen prowess is needed against Atlanta. The article has been published. The next thing you want to do from here, you can decide to share it on your social media platform like your Facebook. So what you need to do, as you can see right now, the article has reached 1,800k people and 13 people have clicked it. So if you want to promote this, the next thing you want to do is to come to share here. You come, you click it and you see this place, you share it. You can go to your Facebook, you click Facebook. It will take you directly to your Facebook. Once this appears, then you can now click next. You click next and you share it. As you can see, wow, human prowess is needed against it. So this is how you can promote your article. If you want to, it is advisable that you promote your article, even if Opera is helping you to promote. Also, do your own promotion and sharing on your Facebook or any other platform. As many people that are reading it, as they are clicking it, they are reading it. That is how your money is going on Opera News Hub. And at the end of every month, you see money flowing into your OP account. You can earn as much as you wish, but I want to assure you there's no how you upload or you are uploading 2 to 3 or 2 to 4 articles on a daily basis and you will not earn minimum of 30k, 30,000 naira a month. So it's very easy. It's something that anybody can do. So I want to enjoy you to go ahead and do this. And also in my next video, I'll be bringing to you again another way of making money through Chat. There are so many ways you can make money with ChatGPT. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, to InfoDev, kindly do so, because this is where you'll be seeing all the latest online money making opportunity. So till I see you in my next video, I say be good.